Today we'd like to introduce you to two HAZET Carbide milling pin sets, each housed in a plastic screw-top case to safely stow all components in one place. Each milling pin is placed in its own niche in the surrounding foam. The set 9032-03/5 includes 5 milling pins with a 3mm shaft. Its counterpart with the article number 9032-06/3 contains 3 milling pins compatible with tools built to receive 6mm shafts. With a range of head shapes including cylindrical, rounded and spherical, this carbide milling pin set can handle a vast array of situations. HAZET milling pins stand out from the crowd thanks to their long product life and excellent cutting characteristics. This flexible component kit is designed for work on a range of materials. But these quality milling bits excel when used to grind metals on tasks such as deburring, rounding, leveling or shaping contours, edges, weld joints or other surfaces. These milling pins are ideal for use both with hand tools and stationary machines. HAZET offers these two carbide milling pin sets as accessories for its range of 3mm and 6mm straight die grinders. These two sets offer outstanding performance on a wide array of grinding tasks with the precision, flexibility and reliability you rightly expect from HAZET.